Alright, so this is my makeup case. I really do love it. It's really good. I'm going to show you backwards, guys. So I'm going to start putting this stuff. So basically, at the bottom of it, it's a big compartment, the biggest compartment. And right now, I'm storing my hair supplies, like my iron. I have my cleaning irons and stuff down there. Just hair stuff down there. See? And then just snap it like that. Like that. You can also lock it. It has like a key that you can lock each of these things, and that's really cool. So then this is the second compartment from the bottom. And okay, we're gonna start with some lashes, some sprays. Sorry guys if you can't see it, but yeah. Okay. And this is the third compartment. I'm just locking it. Like more. Lipsticks and stuff. And then the last compartment. Which is this bad boy. I don't want to go too heavy. You'll see why it's heavy in a minute. This is how it looks all total. So let me show you the top. So it's like that. And then each side comes out. Every time I open it, that one, this one always falls out. So so many palettes. It literally fit on my palette. So this is it, guys. I advise everyone to get this if you love makeup, if you're a makeup artist, you know, if you have like, you know, a lot of makeup. This is really cool. Really cool, light oil, and then storage. Like if you travel, this, which you this from one hand. Basically, you put to secure it. It's all close. Really cool. Like I said, it does lock. So as you can see, and then basically when you put your key in, you do that. Here's the lock, and every one of these has a lock. You get about 8 keys. So there's 3 on this side, 2 up at the top, and 3 on the other side. And you get 8 keys. And each key opens every lock. So it's just backups. That's cool.
You could take the sound off. You could just mute it while you post it. You don't need people to post the sound. Hold on, sister.